What's going on, ladies and gentlemen of YouTube? It's Dad here from Dad Simply Cooking. And today, me and Happy. It's me and Aspen. We're rolling together. It's Wednesday. We're cooking because my son is at gymnastics. So what are we making today? We're switching it up. We're going away with the pasta for right now. The pasta's not gone away for good, promise. But I wanted to switch it up instead of making all pasta videos. So today what we're going to be making hamburger steak and gravy. But this is Amish hamburger steak and gravy. I don't know what makes it Amish. That's what the recipe said. And I was like, I'll just go with that. All right, so we flip over to the other camera. We got our hamburger meat. Aspen did already jump to the punch just a little bit by adding the, what is that, garlic powder? No, onion powder. She added a good, healthy amount of onion powder for us. That's fine. We're not going to complain. But we also have a bunch of other seasonings that will be going into our recipe. Now, the full recipe is linked in the description below. I did plan ahead, and I actually have it down here just so I don't forget. So what we're going to start with our breadcrumbs with our hamburger meat. So the recipe calls for a half a cup. So I got 1/4 here, bam, and then another 1/4, bam. We're gonna go with 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire. Do you say Worcestershire? Say Worcestershire. Worcestershire sauce, whatever y'all call it. That's what we're gonna go with. So we're gonna go with 1 tablespoon of this delicious Worcestershire. Okay, sissy, we're gonna go with a half a teaspoon of parsley. Yeah, so then we're gonna do 1/4 cup, which I believe you have the 1/3, 1/4 here. Whoops. All right. Good job. So 1/4 cup of milk. Oh, we got an egg. You want to crack it? Yeah. Oh, good job. That was a good crack. We need black pepper, which Aspen's already adding in. Yep, keep going. Okay, you can add in the garlic. Now you just want to do a little bit. Okay. I got some Italian seasoning. You can put that in there. I'm gonna handle the salt. That is done. Now this isn't on the recipe, but Parmesan ranch. Why not? You know, sometimes you gotta venture outside the realm. Okay, there you go. That's good. Perfect. Perfect, baby. Garlic, dried parsley, boom, 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 boom. Okay, not yet. So now we're just gonna, if you have an issue with textures, feel free to wear some gloves or whatever you deem necessary to do, because your hands are gonna get dirty. Okay, I don't know what else to tell you on that note, but your hands are gonna get dirty. Okay, it just do be what it do be. So we're just gonna incorporate everything on in. We got our baking dish. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees, and we're gonna make patties now. Okay, so it's up to you the size you want to make. I'm aiming to make about 6 of these, just like that. Beautiful. So I got my 2 tablespoons. What am I doing? We're making a roux, babe. So I'm gonna go ahead and actually throw my hamburgers in the oven and let them start cooking. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna cut some potatoes up and put them on in with our hamburger. So it's gonna be simple to cut these. I did wash these earlier in preparation. So you can skin them if you want to or not. It's up to you. We don't want a thick potato because they need to cook, okay? Go ahead. Yep. All I'm going to do is simply add a little bit more salt. And my favorite, and Aspen's favorite, the pepper. We're going to put some aluminum foil over the top of this. And we're going to put it in our oven, 375, for about 40 to 45 minutes. So I'm going to put it in my oven, and we'll go on to the next step. All right, y'all. We're at the final process of everything to wrap it up with a nice little bow. All we got to do is make our little sauce, and we're in the home run. So I got some butter, 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of flour. In all honesty, a crock pot recipe sounds pretty good right about now because it's hot in this kitchen. So we got our beef broth. We also got our heavy whipping cream. And we're going to do 2 cups of the beef broth. We're making a roux. 2 cups of beef broth. Uno. Dos. You can wait until that thickens up if you want to. That is not going to. It's gonna 1/2 cup of heavy whipping cream. 1 and 2. The salt, pepper, and crushed red pepper, because why not? I did grab some Parmesan cheese. Look how red my face is. It's hot, y'all. As you can see, that is starting to thicken up real nice. Let's try that. I added some smokehouse maple, some garlic. There we go. Ah, indeed. Look, my friends. And then we're just going to cover it in gravy. Just like that. Some Parmesan cheese. Parsley for coloring. Bam. You can throw this in the oven, let that cheese melt, and be ready. Alright, y'all, that's a wrap. Pretty good looking food right there. We're gonna go eat. Thank y'all so much for watching my video, liking, comment, and subscribing. Thanks for all my followers. Thank y'all for being here. I appreciate it. Hope you guys enjoy the food. Stay cool. Hydrate. Love you. Catch you in the next one. So me and Jerry were just talking about this, and it's really good. The recipe is called Amish Hamburger Steak, and we use breadcrumbs and an egg. We made meatloaf, individual meatloaves, but it's different. I know it's good, and it goes great with the biscuits. Just load it up on the biscuit. Yeah. Can you see it eating it again?